that reminds us that every click, every big round of applause. Cyberbullying. Happy morning, everyone. Welcome to our special assembly on the topic cyberbullying. One click can hurt. Before we begin, let me introduce you to the characters for today's skit. I, Ishita, as narrator 1. I, Radha, as narrator 2. Ritvik as Arav, a cheerful student. Vrunda as Riya, Arav's best friend. Kundan as Kabir, the men bully. Divya as Meena, Kabir's friend. Arav as Rahul, classmate. Swanandi as Anaya, classmate. Sufyan as teacher. Veer as a school counselor. Sharanya as cyber police officer. And Ranveer as Arav's parent. Scene 1. The digital world. Today, the internet has become an important part of our lives. We use it to study, attend online classes, play games, watch videos, and to talk to our friends. The internet is like a huge city. It has wonderful places to learn and explore, but it also has dangerous corners. One such danger is cyberbullying. Cyberbullying means hurting someone intentionally using phones, computers, social media, gaming apps, or messaging platforms. Many children think it's only a joke, it's only a message, it's only a meme. But sometimes one message becomes many, one joke becomes someone's pain. Let's see what happens when online fun crosses the line. Scene 2. Happy beginning. Riya, guess what? What happened? You look so excited.
My science project was selected for the Inter-School exhibition.
Wow, congratulations. You worked so hard for it.
My parents are so proud. I even posted a picture online.
Look at Arav, always showing off. Everyone is praising him. Let's teach him a lesson. Scene 3. Cyberbullying type 1. I'll send him a message. You're so boring. Nobody likes you. You don't deserve the pride. Send another one. You are the worst student ever. Someone is really angry with Arav. Maybe it's true.
Miss sending these messages every few minutes, another notification, another insult.
Ignore it for now.
I tried, but they are not stopping. I can't even study properly.
typed on a screen can deeply hurt someone's feelings. Scene 4. Cyberbullying Type 2.
Let's make a fake account using our photo.
Great idea. We will pretend to be Arab. We will post silly comments. Everyone will think it's Arab.
Hey, did you see Araf's post? He wrote our class is boring. Really? That's rude. What? I never posted anything. Someone has stolen your identity and have made fake account. But everyone will think it's me.
Creating fake accounts using someone else's name or a picture is called impersonation. It can damage someone's reputation and friendships.
Scene 5. Cyberbullying Type 3.
Oops, are you okay? That is hilarious. Post it.
Done. Caption. Future scientists can't even walk.
Everyone is forwarding it. Please delete it.
Relax. It's just for fun.
It is fun for me. Everyone is laughing at me.
Sharing someone's photo or video without permission to embarrass them is also cyberbullying. Before sharing, always ask, always think, always respect. Scene 6. Cyberbullying Type 4.
Let's make a new class group. Okay.
Don't add Arab.
Why?
Just don't. We will plan everything without him.
Everyone knows about tomorrow's football match except me. Why?
You are not in the group.
Nobody even told me.
Purposely leaving someone out of online groups to make them feel lonely is called online exclusion. Sometimes silence hurts more than words.
Scene 7. The Effect.
I don't feel happy anymore. I don't want to go to school. I don't want to use my phone. I don't want to even talk to anyone. Really, everyone hates me.
No, never think like that. You're not alone. Cyberbullying is never the victim's fault. Let's ask for help.
Scene 8. Teacher's Guidance.
What happens?
They make a fake account. They left me out of the class group. Someone keeps me sending hurtful messages. What should I do?
Thank you for telling me. Children, remember this. If someone bully you online, never stay silent. Speak to your parents, speak to your teachers, speak to someone trust. Silence helps the bully. Speaking up helps the victim.
Scene 9. Counselor's Advice.
Many children think if I tell someone, everyone will laugh. That is not true. Real courage is asking for help. Here are 5 important steps. First, don't reply angrily. Second, take screenshot. Third, block the bully. Fourth, report the account. Fifth, tell to a trusted adult. These 5 steps can stop Stop cyberbullying.
Scene 10. Parent support.
Hello, you didn't tell us earlier. I thought you scolded me for using my phone. No dear, we are always here for you. If something makes you online uncomfortable, talk to us immediately. No child suffer alone.
Scene 11. Cyber police.
Good morning everyone. Many people think online bullying disappears after deleting a message. But remember, the internet remembers almost everything. Every post, every comment, every message leaves a digital footprint. Cyberbullying can have serious consequences. The law protects children from the online abuse. So always use technology responsibly. Think before you type, think before you share, think before you forward.
Scene 12. Realization.
Teacher, I'm sorry. I thought we are just joking. I never imagined Arab will feel so. I'm sorry too. We will delete everything. We will report to the fake account. We will not do this again.
I forgive you. Let's become a better friends.
Final message. Technology is powerful. Use it to spread kindness.
Not hatred. No rumors. Not fear. Not bullying.
Every message matters. Every photo matters. Every word matters.